Hey guys, I'm gonna review now this brand new cable from OnePlus. As you can see here, I bought the adapter for the Brazilian type of the connector, so I'm gonna review it now. It's brand new. I'm gonna open now. Let's go right here. I'll rip it apart. Okay. Okay, you have this guide right here. Right there. Nice. This is nice. This is very nice. We have the plug for the connector. Brand new. Have a plastic on it. A little bit bent, as you can see right here. It is a little bit bent, but I think with the use of it, it can bend to the right position. Look good. I already have a plug, the original plug that came with the phone. I already have one. And it is just like this. Okay, no problem using it. Brand new, no problem with this guy right here. So let's move to the cable. Cable is just like this. Have some plastic bag. Nothing more here, as you can see. I have the cable right here. It came with these clippers that is just like the phone, the original phone. I'm not gonna open it because you don't need to. Just a little bit, so you can plug it right here. So good to go right here. Nice product, nice package. No problem with this guy right here. You can buy it on Gear Best.